we are thinking of giving some appreciation to the locality. Some appreciation to the locality, because you have helped us in apprehending the that perpetrators who has committed the crime. So, take it in 1, 2 or 3 days time, or next week you will get the information. So we will try to make it to you through OC or through additional SP. And another point is request from the our side to your locality that kindly cooperate with the investigation in a very positive manner.
Yes.
Because we also want conviction. From your side also you are demanding the same thing. And through our coordination, we'll be able to make it, achieve our target. So that's all. The rest